Hey guys, so welcome back again. Welcome to Daily Tips with Mercy. I'm so delighted to introduce a new channel to you, and this channel is about YouTube growth, is about YouTube XEO, is about YouTube tips, is about everything you need to know about YouTube and its monetization, YouTube and its principles, YouTube and its rules and regulation, how you can excel in YouTube. So that is why I am here. This particular channel, Daily Tips with Mercy, is going to be helping you to grow your YouTube channel. So why you need to subscribe to Daily Tips with Mercy Ben is because I have channels. I have Mercy Ben Vlogs, I have Minister Mercy, I also have my AI channel, which is Tales with African AI, which is currently growing, guys. So I am here to give you every trick and hook, every trick that I have used to build these channels. There are about 4 channels that I have right now that I am still currently using to operate, to grow, to connect to people. So I believe I have gathered more information. That is why I am here to show you how you can succeed on YouTube single-handedly. And the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel is because I'll be holding your hand step by step on how you can create your very first video, how you can get your very first 100 subscribers, how you can be able to get your very first 1000 subscribers, how you can be able to set up your YouTube channel, how you can be able to upload your videos, how you can be able to create short and get your subscribers, how you can be able to upload your videos and get your 1000 subscribers, how you can be able to live stream and get your 1000 subscribers, how you can be able to create your thumbnail, and many more, guys. So do well to subscribe to this channel. This is the reason why you're subscribing, so you can excel on YouTube. This red app is not a app that you can just post and disappear. You must have a thick skin before you can be able to in kind of grow on this red app. So do well to subscribe to the channel, do well to turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload you will be notified. Subscription is free, you're not paying any dime. So do well, guys, to follow me for more. The next video that will be coming up is how to get your subscribers by using Shop. I'll be showing you step-by-step ways on how you can upload your short to get your very first 10 subscribers, or your 100 subscribers, or your 1000 subscribers. So yeah, so come alongside with me as we grow together, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye.